Yum, look at that. This is going to be really delicious and packed with protein. I've been making high protein vegan smoothies in my nut milk machine. I use the Nova Life nut milk maker. I think it's honestly the best one available on Amazon and it's a really great price. But here's how I make a really quick and easy high protein soy packed smoothie using just a few ingredients. This is the New brand of organic silken tofu. I purchased this by the case on Amazon. It's a really great price, and this is what it looks like out of the package. The package has 10 ounces, so I'm gonna go ahead and just meal prep probably 1 to 2 smoothies today using one package of the silken tofu. Now this nut milk machine I purchased specifically because it does make soy milk. Here's an example of soy milk that I made in my machine yesterday. This is so delicious and creamy. And these are the soybeans that I use to make them soy milk in my nut milk maker. These are from Be Still Farms. I buy them by the bulk in Amazon. They're so delicious and really good to use. And I found that the quality is really, really great. I store these soybeans on my counter in my pop containers, and these are actually really great airtight containers that you can also get on Amazon. Now, I make so much non-dairy milk using my nut milk maker, like this soy milk, but I also make cashew milk and almond milk. And what I did was I decided to purchase some of these glass containers by Zucro on Amazon because I was taking up so much space using my ball glass jars that are really wide. So I found these really nice tall and skinny, narrow glass jars that have been really great for storing those non-dairy milks. Now to sweeten this, I am going to put a little bit of agave syrup, but you can also use organic stevia if you want this to be sugar-free, or even maple syrup is really delicious. And today I'm going to be making this a strawberry flavor, but you can make any type of flavor you prefer. Blueberries are really good, or even peanut butter and cacao powder to make like a peanut butter chocolate milkshake. But today we're going to be making a strawberry milkshake. And you can also add a little bit of vanilla extract or almond extract or any other types of flavoring. And sometimes I will go ahead and add some hemp seeds, but today we're just keeping it really simple. Now I love using the milkshake function on this nut milk machine. It takes just about 3 minutes. Sometimes I will run it on a second cycle if I really need. All right, and it just finished mixing. Look at this delicious, creamy, super high protein vegan strawberry milkshake in my Nova Life nut milk machine. Now, I've been really into these wheat straw plastic cups. I get these on Amazon, and these are so great because they don't break. We have so much tile in our house that I'm so nervous to use anything glass. So I went ahead and replaced all of our cups with these really awesome wheat straw plastic cups. They're not made from any type of synthetic plastic. They're made from wheat. And here is our strawberry milkshake. Yum, look at that. This is going to be really delicious and packed with protein. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out my Amazon storefront for where you can purchase a lot of these items that I used today for this tutorial. And be sure to follow me on YouTube and check out all of my playlists using my nut milk machine. I have so many recipes using this machine that I got on Amazon. This thing. It makes so many different things. It makes juices, soy milk, nut milks, oat milk. I even make rice paste. I even cook soup in here. I cook refried beans. So many things because this is a thing. It's basically a blender and a cooker all in one device. So I highly recommend getting a Nova Life nut milk machine. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.